Hello and welcome back to another video of the Autark Academy. I'm Lewis and today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the start page of the software. So the first thing that you see when you log in with your details is a little home tab we call the start page. So here you can see everything regarding the projects of the past 6 months. You see the activities of the current month and also how many projects are ongoing, and also the total amount of offers that you have created. Up here, you would see the total amount of project value. In this case, it's €0 for me because I have not finished any projects. So, little note on that side: if you have finished a project and put in the value, then it would be added here. Uh, Here you can also see from a zip code perspective and what kind of regions you have projects ongoing. This is basically my home tab. On the left-hand side, you can now see different categories. First one would be the customer section. Here you can create customers manually. So you would put in their name, put in their address and contact information, and then you can create your new customers. When you go to projects, you see same thing, but it goes for projects. So you would click up here on create, select the customer beforehand, and then you put in all the information regarding the project. So name, where it's located, and can specify it a little bit further down there. Maybe a little note regarding the customer and project section. I will briefly talk with you about the checks section, which is down here, which means the survey that you can implement on your website. So the survey for the end customer where they can click themselves through it. And if the end customer does that, then you will find those information, like the customer will be created here automatically. That's why I said you can create them here manually. Otherwise, if the website survey or the check is up and running, then you would find that the different customers will be added here to the list automatically. Yeah, when it comes to offers, here you can now see the different offers. You can create them, edit them, and also download them. I will go more into depth in a specific separated video regarding the offer section, and we'll jump with you into the next one, which is the product section. Here you see two different categories. So all products, which basically means my products, and also a database. So here you can select all the products or like add all the products that your company is in the end selling and installing. So you can create products here manually again regarding starting with a category, a name, and also can put in the net price, upload some photos, and then you can create those products. When you click on database, you will find a lot of products which are there already. You can click on category and, for example, go to heat pump. And then you see we have listed here around 11,500 heat pumps. So if your company is, for example, installing Weiland heat pumps, you can look up the manufacturer and search for the specific model. We have 95 heat pumps, for example, of Weiland, but we also have a lot of other manufacturers listed here. So you can look at them up and then click on the little copy sign down here. And then a new product, like this specific product, will be assigned to your all products section, which later on will be saved regarding the system simulation and also when you create offers. So when you click on the drop down menu, when you, for example, are in the offer, you can see that the ones that you pre-selected here are also the ones that you can put into your offer. Next one will be the team mark. So here you can add more members to your Autark account and also assign different roles. For example, administrator or sales or installer, whatever. You can assign the different roles here. And yes, the admin can beforehand select to what kind of parts in the software the specific role has access to. So if you create a new employee here, or you can put in a new account, you put in their name, the email address, and then you can assign the specific role, which you have predefined beforehand to grant the access to the specific parts of the software. And last one that I will show you today is our checks section. So this is the survey that you can build for your website. What you would do here is you would click on the check, or you would, first thing would be you would probably create a new one. I've created one in the past, and I'm going to show you that one. So you have a little a little preview on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, a step-by-step guide how to fill it out. So you have the title, the description. If you scroll down, you can also upload a photo, maybe take one which is not as blurry as mine. And then you have here the building information, information regarding the heat pump, and information regarding the solar system. So in my case, I selected all of the questions regarding heat pump, and yeah, for example, solar, I could add those as well. And then this one is a preview of what the check would look like. So here I can see, okay, this is what my end customer would see when they click themselves through it. Okay, interesting. What you would do if it is filled out, yeah, you would click on save, and then you have the little iframe HTML code, which you can copy and implement to your website. Alternatively, you can just copy a standard link out of here and send it to your customers via email. So those those are the two options that you have for the end customer to pre-fill all the information, and then you would have access to everything that they put in, and it will be assigned into your customer section, into your project section. When you click on the new project, then, for example, the heat pump check will be pre-filled out. Yeah, this is everything you have to know, or like everything I wanted to show you regarding our start page with the different tabs here on the left hand side. Yeah, in the next videos, I will go more into depth about the different categories. So we took a look today at the teams, products, and checks section a little bit more into depth, but I will take a look at the offer section and, of course, the project section with all the different components. I will take a look at that with you as well in a separated video. All right, take care and see you in the next one. Bye.